Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm gonna do one of my favorite sandwiches, and it's the summertime. You don't want to be in the kitchen cooking all day, all night. I'm going to make you a club sandwich just like I used to make it at my job. It's a Texas club sandwich. A club sandwich, most time the club sandwich is triple layer. I'm batting flies, y'all. A triple layer sandwich had bacon, turkey, lettuce, tomatoes. But I put bacon, ham, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and I triple decker this thing, y'all. And it's absolutely amazing. So like I said, I got some oven roasted turkey breast. I got some honey ham here. Of course, I got some fresh bacon here out the oven. Some sliced cheese. I do shredded lettuce. Y'all know I'm very particular about my lettuce on my sandwiches. Yeah, I think it eats better when it's shredded than when somebody put a big hunk of lettuce on your. That's a pet peeve. Y'all know mine. And you can't eat it. Sliced tomatoes, thin or chopped. These are thinly sliced. Y'all know I do not like a big hunk of tomato on my sandwich. It's ridiculous. And I use Miracle Whip for my sandwiches. Miracle Whip, yes, on my club sandwich. You can use mayo or whatever. Some people use mustard. But it is what it is. So anyway, I'm going to step off, get my toast toasted. Then we're going to come back and put this sandwich together, y'all. It's so easy. And I'm hungry, y'all. I'm ready to eat. So anyway, old school turkey, ham, bacon club sandwich. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Okay, y'all. Let's build this, what they say, build a burger. Build a burger, y'all. Now, like I say, y'all, I like my mayonnaise on both sides of the bread. I mean, even underneath the bread, y'all. Even underneath. I'm that particular about my mayonnaise. All right, y'all. Go in here with the lettuce, of course. We're gonna I like to put the bacon first. There's no law or rule what goes first or what goes second. Throw my bacon on there. Nice crisp bacon there. You can use, of course, y'all don't like pork eaters. I love y'all people that don't like pork. But that's more pork for me. If you don't like pork, definitely can use turkey bacon. All right, put that down there. Give me another thing of mayonnaise. Put on here, y'all. Oh, yeah, love my mayonnaise, y'all. Love my Miracle Whip. Okay. All right, y'all. My toast over here burning, y'all. My toast to burn up on me. Okay, lettuce, tomatoes on this one too. I see some people put lettuce, tomatoes on one side. In the restaurant I used to cook at many years. No, people want a club. They want a club, y'all. They want the club. Okay, we're gonna do our ham and don't have no. Like I said, no law how this goes, y'all. Throw my ham on there. Now, we're going to throw our cheese in here. Then we're going to go back here with our turkey. Put this ham back in there. A little deli turkey there. Y'all know I'm not a turkey fan, but I like a little turkey on my Reuben. I do love a turkey Reuben. A little turkey on my club there. All right. Put another little piece of cheese on there. Y'all see where I'm headed here? All right. Now, that last piece of toast there. Put the mayonnaise on there. Throw that topping on there. That got a little dark on me. Toast got a little dark on me, y'all. Don't make no difference. What do you say? It's all good, right? Okay. Got my toothpicks here, y'all. We're going to cut this bad boy up. Get this lettuce out the way. Get my little bread knife, serrated knife here. What we gonna do here? 1, 2, 3. Got 2 toothpicks here? I sure do. 3, 4. Toothpicks just like that, y'all. And you're just gonna go just like this. around like this. There we go. Voila. Get my other toothpick. We're gonna go on the other side just like this. See that? Just like that. We're gonna double pick them. Get my other toothpick here. The other side in there just like that. Hold on, get a couple more toothpicks, y'all. Miscount it, miscount it. Alrighty. Throw the other toothpick in there. One more here. There we go. Now, I'm gonna get my plate here, put it on the plate, do that world famous YouTube thumbnail, and we'll be back, y'all. And guess what? It's gonna be time to eat, y'all. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I'm starving, y'all. It's lunchtime. Look at that, y'all. I got my, you know I love my bread and butter pickles. Y'all know I like to eat that with my sandwiches and my chips. Love it, love it, love it. All right, y'all, let me grab this one right here. Take the toothpicks out of there. Give y'all a close up here. Look at that sandwich. You got the lettuce, tomatoes on both sides, your ham, your cheese, your turkey. Let's go in. My mayonnaise are all through it. Y'all. Almost too big for my big mouth. People always say you got a big mouth, you talk too much on your video. Well, this will fill my big mouth up right here. Y'all. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Here, take a bite. Go in there. Wow. That's good. That's good eating that, y'all. I don't care what you say. Well, you see how easy to put together? It's a perfect lunch sandwich for the summertime. And if you want to heat up your ham and turkey, you can. But like I say, in the restaurant where I used to work many years, it's a Texas Club. That's what we call it. That's exactly how we made it. And one of the best selling sandwiches in the pantry area of the kitchen. So, anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TV, Pinterest, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2024. Stop wishing, start doing. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.